Today we're making a 1-pan egg toast that's been brewing over the internet for the last couple of months since it came out on TikTok. And to be honest, I've had this growing up in my childhood. I'm sure many have used. I've grown up having this 1-pan egg toast, and we're gonna make it right now. Let's get right to it. Hey, how's it going? Thank you for dropping by to yet another food with adult video. Now, if you are new to the channel, then do consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on those notifications, as you will be notified every time I upload a recipe going forward. And by the end of this video, if you've liked the way I've created this recipe, or if you've learned something new, then by all means hit that like button, as that will be appreciated and will help support the channel. Now that we've got all of the pleasantries out of the way, let's go right to it. Just gore it all the way through like so. Run it through the center once to the root, and then chop down. That's one. And that's two. Just nicely beat your eggs. We're just going to slice our bread in half so we are ready once everything rolls up. So just pop your knife down, rock it back and forth, pull away. Perfect. Right, this is on a low heat. What we can do is grab our butter and just put it in there. Let that butter melt beautifully. And we're going to add our onions to the butter and just cook them for about 2 minutes at most, just to get them nice and translucent and slightly give them a bit of colour. Right, it's been about 2 minutes and the onions are coming along nicely. We're gonna pour our eggs just slowly over the whole mix. Just mix it all in there, just so it covers the whole pan. Just get our bread from here, just dip that in there, take it back out and across the other side. Again, the same thing, dip it on one side, nicely coat with egg, and just bring it over here. And it's very important to cook it on a low heat because you don't want the egg burned from the bottom and completely raw on top. That's going to take a couple of minutes to do its thing, and then it won't take much longer after that. Just a small run of black pepper and salt over it. It's going to go a long way. Once you start to get under there and you know you're going to be able to flip it, we need to flip this somehow without breaking it. Don't know exactly how we're going to do that yet, but we're going to have to give this a try somehow. I'm thinking if we go from here, get under it, and with the help of this, 1, 2, 3, perfect. Let's grate some beautiful grated fresh cheddar cheese on here. Right, let's get these folded on there. That just needs to stay there. Come on, stay. I think that should be okay. And now carefully just fold that across. What we need to do here is just toast this like a French toast. And that is just going to be, just look at that. It's oozing with richness. Right, this is ready to give a flip now. Oh wow, look at that beauty. Just can't wait to dig in this. Another minute or two and we'll take this off. And my friends, we are now ready. Let's get this plated up and dig into it. Just look at that beauty there. I mean, I could have 4 or 5 of them for my breakfast. Right, let's give this a cut and just see what this is all about. Oh my god, I can feel the knife going through there. Wow, look at that cheese. Just look at that oozing out of there. Seriously? Oh, come on. How can we not take a bite of that? Cut a small piece. Oh, this is going to be hot. Amazing. Alright. Check this 1 pan egg toast out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This just brings back so many memories, guys. It's just simple egg and toast. It's ingenious, but the flavour from that cheese and the egg, the onions, the sweetness, that was absolutely just brilliant. The slight pepper in there just brings up that flavour even more. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this simple 1 pan egg recipe, ready under 10 minutes. Keep your kids happy, keep yourself happy, and a good way to start the day. Egg, toast, cheese, onions and whatnot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video thus far or found it helpful in any way, be sure to hit a like down below, as that again really supports the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, boys and girls, whatever. Adios.